Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. Prunus has introduced the world to the new Raptor 200, a powerful machine with rugged, compact design and ergonomic cabin. The model impresses with 190 horsepower while being relatively lightweight at PES 20. The manufacturer also decided to install a powerful Cat C 4.4 engine, which allows this machine to feel quite confident both on the steep slopes and on soft ground. In the video, you can see the Raptor 200 working in close cooperation with the M450C attachment. Together, they represent a high-tech machine that is ideal for all types of land clearing, lane maintenance and forestry work. This is a SEPI Universal Stone Crusher and the mightier soil tillage cultivator for tractors with medium PTO 100 to 170 horsepower. These machines are equipped with a new innovative dual variant linkage with a stronger transmission and additional crushing bars. The machine can operate at 1000 rppm with 1 or 2 speeds. This means that the rotor speed changes depending on the task at hand by switching the mechanical lever on the main gearbox. The rotor speed can be reduced from fast to slow, while the tractor PTO speed remains set at 1000 rpm. Operating at this speed protects the transmission and at the same time provides better performance when mulching wood in high gear and milling stone and soil in slow gear. The TMC Cancella forestry motor, also known as a brush vulture or vegetation shredder, is a powerful machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management in forestry projects. It's equipped with a rotating drum with sharp teeth that effectively shreds trees and stumps into mulch or wood chips. The machine excellently chopped vegetation to fine particles, contributes to soil conservation, prevents erosion and facilitates reforestation. You see the new THI height hydraulic motor with fixed hammers for various excavators from 4 to 8 tons. The technical details and features of this machine are impressive. Interchangeable counter blades, customizable rotor with different hammers and special bite stops, stable sliding skids, special connection. Make this motor to the best choice for small excavators for demanding landscape work. The motor's build quality is very high as high-quality steel, and additional connecting elements were used for its production. The Tigercat Model 875E is a multi-purpose carrier with 2 boom options for loading or handling wood. The engine of this powerful machine meets all Tier 4 or Stage 5 requirements and is rated at 210 kilowatts or 282 horsepower. The undercarriage is designed and built to withstand the rigors of constant use in the forest. The heavy-duty body provides additional stability when handling heavy timber. The 875 can be configured as a loader equipped with various power grapples: end gravel sliding hill, gravel balance timber gravel and log gravel. The carrier can also be configured as a high-performance processor capable of handling large harvester heads and demanding work cycles. The GU70 chainsaw is the ideal machine for opening and exploring tunnels thanks to the 5th wheel under the rotating guide rail. The machine can make horizontal and vertical cuts. The machine can be operated by one operator. This model is capable of cutting hard stone and marble up to 125 inches deep with the Tierra telematics monitoring system for tiny chainsaws. You can track real-time data and movements related to your machine with the ARA maps. It's easy to view machine performance information such as engine hours, engine on-off I/O pressure and cutting speed. Spanforce technology is used in a new all-electric crawler, crane for multinational heavy equipment manufacturers Sany. The launch of the SCA 800 TB will help meet the growing demand for zero-emission construction equipment. The 80-ton capacity telescopic crane has a maximum lifting moment of 310 meters and a maximum boom length of 1850 inches. With these features, it provides high performance and reliability to efficiently perform all types of auxiliary lifting tasks. The crane should reduce carbon emissions, improve air quality, and reduce noise, making construction sites cleaner and safer for workers and the public. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.